All right, well, in case you guys are scrolling around on Amazon and you ran across this crack sealant, crack filler product, I went ahead and tested it out so you guys don't have to. Hey guys, good morning. Out here at the boathouse. And here we developed a crack downstairs on our slab. Stretches all the way across, all the way back to the bar. So I got a hold of this fast curing crack filler. So if you guys have a crack and you're interested, stick around and we'll see if this product works. So in the package, you shall receive 2 of the fast curing crack filler. It's by a company called, I guess, DONGXW or DONGXW. Fills and seals cracks and holes in concrete. Excellent flexibility and adhesion. Anti-crack, low odor, indoor, outdoor. It's supposed to cure in 2 hours. They do not include any kind of instructions here, so I guess it's self-explanatory. It's already pre-mixed. So we're just gonna go ahead and mix it in the bag, in the little pouch. They give you 2 nozzles, and they give you these little brushes, I guess, to brush out any kind of dirt and whatnot. And you have 2 gloves. So let's go ahead and mix these pouches up real well. And we'll sweep off this crack and we'll start applying and see how this product works out. The brush actually does a decent job digging out the loose dirt and gravel trapped in there. So far, seems to level out pretty good. Now we do have a few areas that are a little deeper than others, which are probably going to require another coat. So I'm going to go ahead and let this tack up a few minutes and come back, areas such as that, and come back and apply another coat. In the meantime, why don't we go ahead and continue on with the other crack. Now they seem to supply enough. I mean, this is a good bit. I've used maybe not even half that bag, and I've gotten this whole section here a pretty good coat. Okay, here we have the first application. It's a thin product, I guess by design, to make sure you get down in that crack and so it levels itself off, which is actually doing a pretty good job at self-leveling. Now I do notice we have a few areas here that are going to require another application, especially on this side here. I don't know if you can see that, but we have some cracks and voids that are a little deeper than others. So it fell down inside. I'm going to give it a few minutes to tack up and we'll go ahead and apply another coat. Now the product seems to stretch far. I've only used 1 bag on this crack. This crack's probably, I'd say 10 foot. So let's go ahead and give this some time to tack up and we'll come back and apply another layer. Okay, 20 bucks on Amazon. They send you 2 bags. It leveled out, sealed everything up. It's been about an hour, tacked up okay. I can touch it, but it's still a little tacky. DONGXW fast curing crack filler, man. I'll leave a link in the description below where you guys can purchase.